Hello, friends. This is another episode of the program Empire of Lies, in which we discuss manipulation and disinformation in the Russian media. Peace on the conditions of defeat: how Kremlin television is rewriting Europe's borders. In the latest episode of 60 Minutes, Olga Skabeeva solemnly recounts the sensational details of the meeting between Trump and Zelensky. The main news is that the US president allegedly demanded that Kyiv admit defeat, surrender Donbas, and stop at the front lines, otherwise Ukraine will be destroyed. Behind this set of sensations lies not just another manipulation, but a well-thought-out ideological framework. Russia is offering Europe and the world a new version of peace on television, peace on the conditions of capitulation, legitimizing the seizure of foreign territory, and turning international law into window dressing. 1. Admitting defeat means saving oneself. The main thesis of the broadcast: Ukraine must accept the loss of Donbas and stop at the front lines. Trump's so-called pragmatism, as depicted in Russian reports, is presented as evidence of a new realism. In reality, this is a proposal to formalize the results of military aggression and present it as a compromise. Territorial conquests become not a crime, but a starting point for negotiations. Skabeeva, quoting Western publications, seems to unwittingly echo the Kremlin's logic. Reality exists, and it must be acknowledged. But reality in this case is the result of invasion, deaths, deportations, and destruction. It cannot be legitimized without destroying the very idea of international order. This approach transforms peace not into the end of war, but into its legitimate continuation by other means. 2. Security guarantees for all sides, a misrepresentation. The second motive is the demand for security guarantees for both sides, including Moscow. This formula sounds moderate, almost diplomatic. But in context, it means one thing: to equate the aggressor and the victim, pretending the conflict is symmetrical. When a country that started a war demands guarantees from those it attacks, peace turns into an absurd spectacle. According to the newspaper, the negotiations nearly collapsed. The American president tossed aside the map the Ukrainian delegation had brought with them and declared that Kyiv must accept the loss of Donbas. The White House incumbent himself did not confirm the Financial Times report.